What? Okay. Well, we gotta do something about that. Wow. You put so much load on that toe. You put some elastic in there so it can...
I don't know.
Move with
This
it.
one never broke. I never had one break like that.
Well, it's a different foot. That foot doesn't have that kind of flex to it.
Yeah, it's stiff, this one.
Yeah.
I'll take that off, put this sucker on, then I gotta learn how to walk all over again.
So there's a carbon band in here that allows flexibility from heel contact to toe off. So he's a pretty big guy and a very active walker, so when he is on the toe a lot, especially if he lifts up anything, then there's a lot of tension here, and that's what tore this. So we have to put a little reinforcer in here that's a little bit of elastic so that doesn't happen. This took about 8 months for this to crack, so we'll prepare all this, put a reinforcer in here, and then reskin this, and we'll be ready to go. Matter, Will? You okay? Yeah? Okay.